So today, we are going to play Dress Up.
Did someone say dress up? I'm Elvis!
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Oh my god, I killed him! It's my show, and today we're going to play Dancing with the Bears. Ah! Hi! Dude, you got anger management problems. Hey, I am a valued citizen of society. You do not hit people like that. You need to be locked up in a mental ward, dude. Just locked up in a mental ward. Dude. I'm pretty sure he's being eaten alive by alligators. So this is my show. Dude, oh, I could have saved him if I was looking. I would have. Ah! His ghost tried to eat me, but alright. So we're gonna do a cooking show today.
I think we're running out of time for today, so someone should go stop that camera.
No, I'm gonna do a cooking show today.
No, you have to go stop it. I will stop it right there. Oh!
Nice try, buddy. We're going to cook chocolate cake today. You take a box mix, right, and you just pour it in the bowl, and then...